Hey guys, I'm Shawn Cheek of webpianoteacher.com. How you doing today? We're doing an epic song today. This is Jeff Beck Group, Going Down, and it's got an incredible piano part we're doing all the way through, and it's 23 pages of of playing and 23 sheets to go with it. So we're gonna play a little bit of here so you can hear what it sounds like. If I can get through it, let's see. Did okay there. So a lot of you guys probably remember when this came out. I wasn't born yet, so it's kind of new to me. I know the song, I've heard it before, but I never have really listened to it like I have for this lesson series. And it's got a lot of piano in it, a lot of cool things. I'm going to take you all the way through. The piano guy's playing all the way through it, and he does an excellent job. And we're going to learn all the stuff. He's a pro, top. There's nowhere to go up from where he is as far as playing and what he does. So let's get to it right now. We're going to do this part one lesson here. And I'm giving you a lot here of 3 lines. I used to just give a couple of measures. We're doing all 3 lines. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, though. Okay, so there we have 2 lines of music on the page there. And we're just going to walk through it here. The first part is kind of just a little intro. It's not really counted, And then we get to a rhythm there. All right, so this was a monumental task. It took me a week, actually, on all of it to get it all done. So let's get going. We start with an F in the left hand. If you are a member of the website, you can download all 23 pages of this for $5 if you're a partner level, which is a steal for as much work as I put into it. But I recommend that so you have sheets, something to look at, something to mark up if you need. F on the left hand, right hand. We're going to go C with the 3rd finger, and then he just does G sharp A F with 2-1 like that. So it's kind of a bluesy. Maybe a little tremolo on the left hand. And then this F is really low. I'm just going to play with the right hand because I'm already down there. F, G sharp A. Just a blues device. F, G sharp A together, back to F. But when you do the F, then we let the left hand take it. And then the right hand's going to do this. See that little squiggly hook right there on the C? That's kind of my way of just showing a roll up on the C. A sharp, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from the first, say da-dum, B flat, and then he does this, G sharp, A, B flat, F, C, B flat, F, and then A with a hook. The hook means you're just flipping from a G sharp. Left hand, F and C. When you play the F, the left hand does an A. So from this little roll up here, all right? And I go 2, 3, 4, 1. I cross over with a 3 for the middle C. B flat with a 2, F. And then, and that little bracket is just my way of writing. It's a triplet. It's an 8th note triplet. Triplet, da, and then we're in the jungle there. It's not really a swing. He's pretty straight. Da, 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 so it's not. It's da 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 da. All right, so be careful you don't swing it. It'll be hard to get out of that swing habit. All right, so from the very beginning, let's see. Try again. All right, so once we get in here, we're on G. Okay. So we have G, D with 2 and 5. That's how I'm going to do it. And then my thumb will be on the E. Some people like to use their thumb for all of it. That's kind of laborious. I like to use the 2 for me. All right, and then B, G in the right hand. So we have on this G, D here, we're going to play F and D with 1 and 5. So 1 and 2 and 3. then I come down and I do B and D, but I'm going to roll up on that B like this. A sharp B. Okay, so the whole measure. Don't ruin it with pedal, don't do this. But this. In fact, when you're playing this kind of stuff, you don't need much pedal at all, if any. I do use a little here and there just for effect. And then we keep da 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 to the very end. You go to F C because we're jumping the gun a little bit on that F chord. Okay. All right. So, but this measures exactly like that one, except for the very end. All right. Right hand has a G and then G sharp A C E flat F. I'm gonna go 2 1 2 3 5 on the E flat F. Okay. So starting right here, let's start with the pickup to it, the triplet. Again. We keep going. So F C with 1 and 5, G sharp A. So now a boogie woogie type of thing. This is more rock and roll. This is more boogie woogie. So F C, G sharp A. Let's go ahead and look at the left hand there. F, F, A, but there's the hook, so you flip it. F, B flat, F, B natural, C. Is how you do that. All right, right hand, F, E flat and F again. You played it up there. Then a D. Then I'm going to put 3 and 5 on B flat D. G sharp A with 2 1. And then F and C. So if I start right here, it's hard to start there. Let's start right here. Ba-da-da-da. So you do hold that one. Da 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 hold da da. See hold ba 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 da ba ba. Okay, and then F F A. Then he does a B chord here. F sharp B D F sharp B D sharp. 1 2 4. And then G C E with 1 3 5 as the left hand goes to C. Okay, so right there. Bum 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 bum. Then he goes C. So it's C and then right hand E, G, C. And then D to F, C. D sharp to F sharp, C. And then E to G, C. He does a little something funky here rhythmically. And it just, there's no way to notate it. Just kind of feel it and hear it. But it's ba-ba, 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 ba-ba. Then it's okay after that, but there's just a little something there that's a little weird to me and to my ear. But if you know the song well and it's in your ear, you should have no trouble. Bum, bum. Okay? And if you're listening to it and go, hey, what's the problem? Great. If there's no problem, don't create one. Okay? Dun, 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 dun. You hear that all the time. That's what he's doing here. Then we go to F, A, F, left hand on an F, F. Then when you go to B flat F with 2 and 5, left hand goes to G. Okay, I'm going to scroll. Then you have B natural F, left hand on G sharp. Then F, C, F, left hand on an A. Okay, so we did it on C. Now F. Now we're going to do the same thing on D. Then on G. So a similar chord pattern here, you're just doing it on different chords each time. So on the D one, you go low D. Then I'm going to use 2 and 5 on F sharp D on my right hand. Then a D on the thumb. Then an E. Then to G, D to D. 1 and 2. Da 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 da. F natural, right hand G sharp D to D. I'm going to use 2 5 on that. To 3 5 when I get to the F sharp. So that measure is a 1 ba bum. All right, now we'll do the same thing on G. So G octave, right hand B, G with 2 and 5 to G on the thumb. A octave, right hand, C, G with 2-5. And then we have a little ant on my screen there. A sharp, and then right hand, C sharp, G sharp to D, G. Okay, so starting here, it's a lot easier than the rest of it that we did. But if I start on the C, now let's play it all. All right, so very beginning. Very good. I did it better that time. Hope you guys enjoyed that part 1 lesson. We have all 23 lessons on webpianoteacher.com. Take you through each measure just like we did here for all 23 pages, and you can download the sheets. It's a great deal, great thing to work on to play this. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Talk to you later.